In this video, we are going to solve one of the F2L situation in several ways, so let's go. In the first case, we need to execute this formula. One of the corners that is white facing you and on the right. First formula: f prime u prime f. Let's move on to the second situation. In the second case, you should place the Rubik in this position. And then the final state. And the Rubik's Cube is solved. Stay tuned for the next parts.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed.